if you're seeing an error pop up that says restricted scopes when you're trying to connect your Google account to your module, and usually with Gmail or Google Drive, I'm going to show you how to fix that in this tutorial. So first things first, you're going to want to click add. And just to let you guys know, if it was like one of those email accounts where if it was like mark@blacktable.com, you can get in this pretty easy. You wouldn't even have to go through this step. But if you're using a Gmail account like markblacktable@gmail.com, you have to go through this complicated step. But it's complicated, but it's pretty easy at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you click on, like I said, click on add. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine V3. And then you click on advanced settings. This is what you're chasing to get is your client ID and your client secret key. So to get that, you have to come over here to Google Cloud Console, and you can get in Google, just type it in on Google, type in Google Console, and then click the first link, and it'll take you here. Click on console. All right, once you're in, make sure you're in the correct Gmail account, and then over here you're going to want to click on this. This is where your projects are. So click new project, and we'll title this make V3 test. Call yours whatever you want. Okay, click create. It's creating the project over here. All right, once your project's done, click on select project. All right, now we're in the project that we just created. Come over to the search column and type in Google Drive. If you're looking for Google Drive API, click on that. Then click on enable. All right, once that's enabled, then come back in here and type in Gmail API. And click on that. Click on Gmail API and then click on enable. And remember, we want to get those credentials, the client ID and the secret key. So come over to credentials and then configure consent screen. Click external, create. All right, app name is going to be make. It's going to be this user support email will be your email. You don't need an app logo. You don't need an app domain. Authorize domain. You're going to want to click make, or you're going to want to type make.com. All right, and then add another domain and add integromat. So integromat.com. And don't worry, I have everything in the comment section too for you to copy and paste, so don't worry. All right, next. Click on that. Next, come down and type in your email address again. All right, so click on add or remove scopes. And we're going to add the scopes. So the scopes of this project will be the Google Drive. So let's click on Google Drive API and click on add scopes. So add and update. Then add scopes again, and then do Gmail this time. So Gmail API, click on them all, and add update. All right. So now we have all the Google Drive and the Gmail scopes ready to go. Click on save and continue. This is a very important part. Don't forget this part. You want to add a user. So add user, and it's going to be your email address again. So it won't work if you don't do this. All right, and then click save and continue. All right, so now we're going to want to click on credentials. Create credentials. The client ID is what we're looking for. Click web application. All right, we'll name this make. We don't need this JavaScript. Well, we do need this redirect URLs, so you can put the URL, add URL, and I'll have all these in this description below as well. All right, these are all the URLs that you're gonna want to put into the authorized redirect URLs. All 8 of them will be in the comment below, so you can just copy and paste. So put those in there and then click create, and it will take 5 minutes to an hour for the settings to take into effect. So make sure that you are aware of that so you can wait. All right, boom. This is now the client ID and the secret key. So copy and paste this client ID, take it back to make. All right, client ID goes into client ID. Then we go get the secret key. This is the secret key. Put that into here. Now it may not work because it's about 5 minutes, but let's see. Click on that and click continue. Then click this setting, continue. Verifying connection. And bam, you're in there. So from here, we can create a draft. Let's click on the folder. Drafts. The subject line would be, this is a test draft. You can put it whatever, and then I can say, hi, my name is Test. All right, and then click OK, and then that's done. Now let's run it and see if it's. Let's double click on it, click run this module, or you could click run down here. Boom, it's a success. So as you can see, it's green, and this is the input of what I told it to do. This is the output of what it gave me. Let's go into my Gmail to see if I do have an actual, this is the draft. This is a test draft. Hi, my name is Test. It's there. So it's the second time I created it. As you can tell, this works. All right. Well, if you enjoyed everything, just please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. And like I said, everything is down below. Subscribe. I'm going to come out with my new school community, and you guys are going to be able to get scenarios built out, the copy and paste code, and I can even show you how to handle all the errors that you'll come across. Plus, I'll be able to, you'll be able to talk to everybody in the community. You'll be able to ask me any questions. I'll be able to build out scenarios and be able to give you the copy and paste code to it with videos on how to do that. And then you'll be able to use these scenarios for your life or your business, whichever. So thank you for watching.